Welcome back to our phonics class with teacher Louise
and teacher Nook.
Okay, today we will be learning the sound of O and A put together. Okay, so this is letter O and letter A. If we put letter O and letter A together, the sound is O. Okay, repeat after teacher. O.
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 Very good. Now, the action for the O sound is like this. It's like you made a mistake, like oh, like that. But this time you can do it like this. O. O. Okay? O. Let's do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, go. O. 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 Okay? So it's like make a mistake. Oh, I made a mistake. Like that. Okay? So before we will start our class, Teacher Nook will introduce a brain gym for us.
สวัสดีค่ะเด็กๆวันนี้นะคะเราจะมาวาดรูป shapes shape ก็คือรูปร่างนะคะวันนี้ที่เชอร์จะสอนอยู่3 shapes นะคะก็คือ a circle นะคะ a circle a triangle a triangle และสุดท้ายนะคะ a heart a heart เดี๋ยวเราจะใช้มือขวานะคะวาดรูป a circle a triangle and a heart มือขวาก่อนนะคะจากนั้นตามด้วยมือซ้ายนะคะเหมือนจะง่ายนะคะถ้าวาดด้วยมือขวา a circle แต่ลองดูมือซ้ายมันก็จะยากขึ้นมาอีกนิดนึงนะคะเป็นการฝึกสมองเด็กๆทั้งซีกขวาและซีกซ้ายนะคะให้สามารถทำงานด้วยกันได้นะคะOkay, we will start with a circle first. Okay, let's put your finger up here. One finger with your right hand. หรือว่าเด็กๆคนไหนที่ถนัดมือซ้ายนะคะก็ยกมือซ้ายขึ้นมานะคะเราจะใช้ข้างที่ถนัดก่อน Okay, let's draw a circle. ใหญ่พอประมาณนะคะ Okay, again circle and then a triangle. สามเหลี่ยมนะคะต่อไป a heart heart มีรอยหยักด้วยนะคะ again a heart ง่ายมากเลยใช่ไหมคะคราวนี้ใช้มือด้านที่ไม่ถนัดบ้างนะคะบางคนอาจจะเป็นข้างขวาบางคนอาจจะเป็นส่วนมากจะเป็นข้างซ้ายนะคะข้างที่เราไม่ถนัด Okay, let's draw a circle make sure that it's circle ไม่ใช่วงรีรูปไข่นะคะ and this time let's draw a triangle ตึ๊ดขึ้นมาข้างบนลงมาเอาใหม่นะคะวาดฐานข้างล่างขึ้นมาข้างบนลงมาสุดท้ายนะคะ let's draw a heart หัวใจ bigger ใหญ่ขึ้นหน่อยหัวใจใหญ่ขึ้นหน่อย Okay very good teacher
Okay, so I guess you're ready to learn the O sound, okay? So once again, if we put O and A together, the sound is O, 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 okay? If I cover this one, what is the sound of letter O only? Right? On and off. If I cover this one, the sound of A only is right? But once again, putting O and A together, the sound is O. Very good. So let's listen to our O song.
Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goat under the yellow tree?
All right, one more time.
Oh, did you see the billy goat?
Oh, did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? Okay, so it's time to learn our song for the O sound. Okay, O sound. All right. The O sound starts with the word O, okay? O. Repeat after teacher O. O.
O.
Did you?
Did you?
Did you?
Did you?
See
See
the billy goat?
The billy goat.
Oh, did you see
Oh, did you see
the billy goat?
The billy goat.
Okay, so you sing, oh, did you see the billy goat? And then here you will make the sound oh, okay? So how many times? Oh, 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 oh. So you will do it 6 times. So you will do the O sound 6 times, okay? So oh, 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 oh. At the same time, while saying this sound, you will make the action, or you do the action as well, okay? So make the sound and then you do the action, okay? So let's read from O until O sound, okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, did you see the billy
Oh, 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 oh. Again, more faster, and I want more power. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Like that, okay? And then you will do it, sing it again. Oh, did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? Again, repeat after teacher. Under
under
the old
the old
oak tree.
oak tree?
Okay, under the old oak tree. Okay, why do we say the? Because this is a vowel. Okay, the old oak tree. Okay. Let's read one from the top to the bottom. All right, 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Oh, did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree?
Okay, I think you're ready to sing now. Okay, are you ready to sing?
Yes.
Okay, let's sing the song. Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? One more time. Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? Okay, so this time we will look at our big book to learn some words and listen to our story. Okay, so first one, again, the sound of O and A put together, it is O. Again, 1, 2, 3, go. O. Okay, the action, 1, 2, 3, go. O. Very good. Okay, now, who wants to tell teacher what are the pictures that you can see here? Yes? There's an
What?
oak. An oak tree, okay? So this is an oak tree. Okay, repeat after teacher. O.
Oh,
Oak.
oak,
Oak.
oak.
So this is an oak tree. What else? Yes? There's a goat. 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 So this picture is a picture of a goat. 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 Yes, one? A bird. Okay? There's a bird. Oh, there are birds rather here on the tree. Okay, yes? Water. Oh, there's water here. Okay, so this is water. Okay, repeat after teacher. Water.
Water,
Water.
water.
Okay, yes? There's a boat. It's a toy boat, but let's say boat.
Boat,
Boat. Boat. Let's do that one. 1, 2, 3, go.
boat, boat.
Very good. Who else? Yes, the one. A frog. Okay. There's there's one frog here hiding, and there's also a frog here. Yes, T?
A snail.
A snail. Oh, the A, snail is here. Okay? All right. Okay. So I guess you're ready to listen to the story. Okay. So today, our story is about two children. There's one boy and there's also a girl. Now, these two children went out, went out to go near the stream, stream. They went to the stream. Stream is like a small body of water, Now, the two children were bringing their boat, the toy boat, boat. So the boy is holding his toy boat. And the girl is bringing the picnic basket. So this is what we call a picnic basket. Can we repeat after teacher? Picnic basket. Okay, let's start with picnic first. Picnic.
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 Basket.
Basket.
Or a basket. Okay, it's a basket. Oh, and inside the basket, you can see a loaf of bread. Now I want you to repeat after teacher. Loaf. 1, 2, 3, go. Loaf. So this is a loaf of bread. Okay. So the two kids were so excited. Oh, let's play with our boat. Boat. I'm so excited.
Oh,
so
teacher, but how was the weather last night?
Oh, I think the weather last night was windy. Okay, so the weather was windy last night. So when they went near the water, they saw an oak tree that was blown by the wind the night before. So the wind was very strong, like that, and suddenly the oak tree, boom!
Oh, here.
Yes. Look at the tree. Oh, and then when the children saw the tree, they also heard something. Like that. Oh, what is that? And then suddenly they saw a goat. Again, goat. 1, 2, 3, go. Goat. Oh, they saw a goat. So the boy said, oh. Can we say that one? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. Okay, because they saw a goat that got caught under the tree. So it was trapped. So if this is the goat, the tree fell down on the goat. So the goat could not move. It was trapped. Oh. So the two children, they ran and they looked for the farmer because the farmer can help. The farmer is the one who takes care of your farm, plants some crops. So they went and run to the farmer so that the farmer can help the what? Goat. Because what happened to the tree? What happened to the tree? The tree fell down. From the what? Wind. From the wind last night. Okay? So that's our story about the O sound. Let's do O sound 3 times. 1, 2, 3, go. O. Very good. Okay, so are you ready to learn words with the O sound?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, so the first one, we have what's this? Boat. You know this already. Actually, this is also a speed boat. Okay, very fast. Oh, like that. Okay, speed boat. Okay, boat. Let's make the sound of letter B. B. O. boat. Okay, let's try to do the action while making the sound. 1, 2, 3, go. Boat. Boat. Okay, so this is a picture of a boat. Next, we have that one. This one is a road. Okay, so road. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Road. Let's do it with actions this time, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Road. Okay, so the actions will help you remember the sounds as well. Okay, next. So this is a picture of a road. When you drive, your mom and dad drives the car or the motorbike, or if you drive the bicycle, you drive on the road. Road. Okay, next, we have a soap. Okay, so this is a soap. Okay, so soap. Let's do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Soap. So this is a soap. When you take a shower, you use the soap. Okay, so this is a soap. Next. Oh, it's a toad. Okay, repeat after teacher. Toad. 1, 2, 3, go. Toad. So this is a toad. Okay, it's like a frog. Okay, toad. Let's do the action this time while making the sound. 1, 2, 3, go. Toad. Okay. Next we have a coat. Okay, but let's make the sound. Remember, has two sounds, K and C. So we will use the C. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Coat. So this is a coat. During winter, you can use your coat. Okay. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Coat. Very good. Next, we have the loaf. Okay. So this is a picture of a loaf. Okay. A bread loaf. Okay. Let's make the sound. Loaf. Okay. Let's do the action at the same time. Make the sound. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I can only see a few doing the action. I want you to do the action as 1, 2, 3, go. Loaf. Okay, so this is a loaf bread. Okay, next. It's also a bread, but it's a toast. Okay, repeat after teacher. Toast. Again. Toast. Okay, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Toast. So you can toast the bread. Okay, there's fire. You can put the bread to make the toast bread. Okay, toasted bread. Okay, now we have the last one. What picture is that? Goat. Very good. So let's make the sound. Goat. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Goat. Very good. Okay, so this is a picture of a goat. Now, let's blend. Okay, let's make the sound and blend the words. Okay, boat. Next is road. Okay, let's do it with pace. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Boat. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I need more energy. I want to hear you more. Make your voice louder. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 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 Okay, this time repeat after teacher. Boat. Road. Soap. Toad. Coat. Loaf. Toast. Goat. What sound is this? What sound did we learn? What sound is it? O sound. O, O, O. Okay. And these words here in front of you has the O sound. Okay, are you ready for the next activity? Yes, very good. So teacher Nook has the next activity. She will explain to us how we do our next activity. Okay, but before that, this is what we call the phonics, like a table chart. Okay, so you can see the sound here, O, 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 and there are other letter sounds that you can see around. All of these sounds you've learned in the previous lessons already. Okay, so you've learned all of these sounds. So we will blend. This activity will help us practice blend more. Okay, teacher?
เด็กๆ คะเดี๋ยวเราจะทำกิจกรรมการเคาะแก้วกันนะคะที่เชอร์จะมีอุปกรณ์ก็คือ1แผ่นกระดาษที่เป็นชาร์ตของตัวอักษรนะคะและตรงกลางที่เป็นสีแดงนะคะเพื่อให้เด็กๆเห็นชัดและสังเกตได้ว่ามันคือเสียงที่เราต้องการเน้นในคาบนี้นะคะก็คือเสียงO sound นะคะและอุปกรณ์ที่สำคัญก็คือแก้วนะคะเราจะเคาะแก้วนะคะภาษาอังกฤษเราเรียกว่า tap นะคะเคาะแก้วลงไปบนแผ่นกระดาษที่มีตัวอักษรนะคะเช่นทิเชอร์ลูอิสจะบอกว่า number one
goat goat
ทิเชอร์ก็จะเคาะไป goat goat นะคะระหว่างที่เคาะเราจะอ่านออกเสียงไปด้วยนะคะ goat goat นะคะ3ครั้งเคาะ3ครั้งตามตัวอักษรในคำนั้นนะคะ goat goat นะคะ O กับ A เราถือเป็น1เสียงนะคะ O กับ A ถือเป็น1เสียงการเคาะแก้วจะช่วยให้จังหวะกับเด็กๆนะคะเปลี่ยนจากการผสมเสียงที่อาจจะน่าเบื่อสำหรับเด็กๆนะคะเป็นกิจกรรมที่ให้จังหวะกับเด็กๆนะคะเด็กๆจะได้เคลื่อนย้ายมือแล้วก็ในขณะเดียวกันเราก็จะได้ฝึกการออกเสียงไปด้วยนะคะโอเคกิจกรรมนี้ต้องทำบนวางบนโต๊ะนะคะเด็กๆจะนั่งที่เก้าอี้แล้วเราจะเคาะกันนะคะโอเคค่ะกับที่โต๊ะเลยค่ะ
Take your seats there on your table. Okay, so this time I want you to listen to teacher. Okay, I want you to listen to teacher very carefully. Okay, so the first word. After teacher will say the word, teacher will say go. When you hear the word go, that's the time you will go. Goat. Okay? All right, let's start. 1, 2, listen to teacher. The first is oat, coat. Okay? Oat, coat. Listen to teacher. 1, 2, 3, go.
oat coat
Very good. Next. Good. Next word. Listen to teacher. Listen first and wait for teacher's go. Okay? First, next word number 2. Boat. 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 1, 2, 3, go.
very
good. Okay. Word number 3. Word number 3 is, listen. Soap. One more time. Soap. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Very good. Next.
put down please
Next, we have word number 4. We have toad. Listen carefully again one more time. Toad. 1, 2, 3, go.
toad
Very
very
good.
good
Toad. Okay. Next. Listen a teacher. Word number 5. Okay. We have loaf. Listen first. Loaf. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Loaf. Good job. Okay. Next, we have this one. Listen. Are you ready to listen? Okay, very good. Listen now. Toast. Oh, that's 4. Okay, so toast. 1, 2, 3, go. Again. 1, 2, 3, go. Toast. Very good. Okay. One more.
The last one
The last one is goat. Goat. Listen again. Goat. Goat. 1, 2, 3, go. Goat. Okay. Very good. All right. Can you give the cups to teacher?
Okay and our next activity and the last activity for this period teacher so teacher Louis will dictate the word นะคะ teacher Louis จะออกเสียงคำศัพท์นะคะเช่น number 1 coat coat เด็กๆก็จะเขียนตัว C ตัว O และตัว A และสุดท้ายตัว T แล้วก็จะเอา C O A T มารวมกันอยู่ในช่องสุดท้ายอ่านว่า coat นะคะ coat coat วันนี้เราจะเขียนคำศัพท์นะคะเราไม่วาดรูปนะคะเราจะเขียนคำศัพท์เพราะฉะนั้น make your ears big to listen to teacher and make your mouth small or close your mouth so you can hear teacher clearly and don't talk okay listen okay teacher
Okay, let's give out the worksheets. Don't forget, once again, don't forget to write your name, your class, and your number. All right. So please listen to teacher. Word number 1. Word number 1. Number 1. Are we ready to listen? Very good. Listen very carefully. Number 1. Toad. One more time. Toad. Number 2. Number 2. Soap. One more. Soap. Again. Soap. Number 3. Number 3. Road. Again. Road. Road. Not no, it's road. Number 4. Number 4. Boat. 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 Listen very carefully. Not d. No, it's b. boat, 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 boat. Very good. This is Number 5. Number 5, listen to teacher. Coat, coat. One more time. Coat, coat. Listen. Coat, coat. Number 6, rather. Number 6. Oaf, loaf. Number 6. Oaf, loaf. Number 7. Number 7. Goat, goat. One more time. Goat, goat. Number 8. Number 8. Load. One more time, listen very carefully. Load. Number 9. Moat. Moat. And number 10, listen. Toast. 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 Okay, so if you're finished, I want you to put down or put away your pencil. Okay, put away and want you to look at the interactive board. Look at the board. Okay, please look at the board. All right. Okay, so let's review the words that we have learned by making the sound. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. B-O. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. And don't forget this one. It's d. Again. D. Road. 1, 2, 3, go.
Road.
Very good. Next one. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. And 1, 2, 3, go. Good. Alt. Go. This time, read the words by yourselves and just read it like boat, road. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
Boat, road, stone, toad, coat, loaf, toast, goat.
Very good. So today, we have learned the sound of what? Letter O and letter A put together. The sound is? O. Let's do the action 3 times. 1 and the sound. 1, 2, 3, go. O. Very good. Okay. Did a good job today. You did too. Great. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Teacher Luke and Teacher Louis.
Goodbye.